My dear student, welcome to the next section. As you can see, selling is challenging. It is not something that can happen in one click. So let's have a look what we can do more, how we can help more the project. This time I will be basically just showing you some of the updates, so it will be faster for you to get some overview. So first of all, let's jump back to last 7 days. And maybe before we start everything, there is last point I would love to show you about audiences. So as you know, we can create custom audiences. We talk a lot about using the power of Instagram engagement or website retargeting or Facebook page. But what you can also do is uploading to the Facebook customer list. And basically it's very, very easy. Facebook is extremely intelligent in this way. So you just need any kind of CSV or TXT. And my experience is that you just put it into columns. So the more data you have, the better. It can be email, it can be phone number. So it can be also city, state, country, postal code, date of birth. You can see always the examples. And it's very, very easy. And the more information you provide, the better. You can also download list template, see formatting guidelines, or what you can do. If you are using MailChimp, you can use the MailChimp integration and import from MailChimp. So then you basically can also include customer value. So this is good if you know the value of sales. Then it's really good because Facebook can understand what people tend to spend more money with you. And if you have this information, you can also add the value of the customer, and the best customers giving the most money. This is something that Facebook will try to find for you. And basically why you can use this, because if you have any kind of web shop, let's say now we are talking about this web shop, and you can see that this is something people can purchase, let's say every month, so they need it again and again. And the advantage is that for example, this is Shopify e-commerce solution, so it's very easy to use it. And you can just download the list of your customers. You can feed it to the Facebook, and then you can retarget the customers again. So they would purchase with you again and again. And so basically this is what we are going to do right now. As you can see, we did a little bit struggle the cost per purchase with Facebook engagement. I was also trying to implement some of the targetings for place and for interest and for women, but basically I had to remove it after 1 week. I was testing like Melbourne and Queensland, and I was targeting for women, but the experience really is that just using in this project, just the power of Facebook engagement is much better. And then basically what I did, I have just created a second ad, because this ad I recognize for retargeting is a little bit more clickable. So I have created the second option with this picture people like to click. And then basically you can see we have 2 active ads. Then what was doing for us well, as you can see, we made quite a money on this pixel purchase and place. So this is basically what we are doing, what we are testing. It was quite okay that we are using the pixel for purchase, and in this case we are also choosing the place and also the women interested in pregnancy and birth and house and home. So this is what we are doing, and you can see we are also using reach people beyond your detailed targeting selection. And then basically we have again the second ad with Sonia, because this seems that people also like to click a lot. And the second I have put this, so there is also the face of this top star lady. So basically I'm just showing you the updates I am doing. And then what I was quite amazed, we did some retargeting was doing for us well. And basically this is just a standard retargeting when we can go back with this dynamic collection. Still, as you can see, every day is for us very, very precious. So now we can go 43 days back, and we are using basically, some people call it dynamic stories, interactive stories, or it can be also called dynamic collection or instant experience. But the point is that people, they tend to click as they have the picture and also the products, and they can see directly more products. And basically this is what we are now using. And I have decided to keep just this because this has brought a purchase. That's why I have also updated the other ads, because this one brought the purchase. And then basically I have kept this even we didn't make money, and the reason I decided to keep this is because the purchase of traffic is quite cheap and it might help us for retargeting. So we are using like also the dynamic collection or dynamic story or instant experience. And what we can do, we can mix it into the purchase. I would also mix it with lookalike purchase. So I would love to mix it. And definitely I would go for women. And I'm not sure about the age, but definitely about pregnancy would be something great. To go for family also, to be interested, and definitely home and house. So we can test this. Hopefully this will bring us some great result. So let's say if we have some more to pregnancy. And we just try to use this. These women are somehow our target group. It was writing to me the owner of the company, so this is something we shall definitely test. And basically this is something I would love to test more, because the purchase of the traffic is really cheap with this dynamic kind of people really like to click on it and get more information, and hopefully it will also start well. So we will still see what will happen, but hopefully it will start also well. And today I would love to talk to you. You can always duplicate on the level of campaign, and also you can duplicate on the level of ad set name, and also on the level of ad itself. You can always view charts, and you can always get some overview easily. So what I would love to show you today, I basically like a lot having more campaigns. But what's also sometimes very useful is to create like a complete campaign. So I call it complete mega new to make it very clear for you. And basically I am now having like 3 ad sets. So one ad set is basically targeting people that did already purchase, and we want them to purchase again to the list. The second is targeting the people that they did already engage with our social media, and the third is if they add to cart but didn't finish the purchase. And you can see this engagement on social media is the most important for us. Even you can see we didn't spend so much money, but we didn't even get many link clicks. But you can see that it's quite really incredible for helping us to make a little bit money, a little bit more money, I would say. So what we can always do, if we just open it to edit it, we have the overview. So this is the campaign, this is the ad set, this is the ad set, this is the ad set, and these are ads inside the ad set. And this can be very, very useful to have like more structured the campaigns, the ad sets, and the ads itself. And I can't really confirm it myself, but some sources are telling that if you create like more ad sets within one campaign, that Facebook is able to use all the data from all ad sets and use them across each other. It might be better for some of the projects, so it might be better to use it and test it. But I think basically what is it good, if you like this kind of organization, you can do it. And you can see this first is called purchase complete. So what does it mean? We are basically using the customer list of paying Shopify customers, but also people they did purchase, or more information about the purchase also, as you can see. So this is all information we can get from website or from customer list about people purchasing from us. And this is all we are using the power, and basically because the products can be purchased like every single month, we want to retarget already purchasing people. And basically now inside each ad set we have 7 ads that Facebook can test for us. And basically this is mainly built, as you can see, like single image, toxic free, certificate, organic, free shipping. And basically I have created like more campaigns with Sonia. As you can see, this is another campaign. So we are using also this, so Facebook have more to test. And this we can also test. The advantage of this kind of ad is that people, they have to go to the website to get more information about the products. But especially if they did already purchase, they know the products. And then we have some product images. And basically we are using again like, come on, it's time to rescue dry and dull skin with some serious hydration, safe for your skin and the planet. So, and you can see we're using product images. Also, we are always pushing this toxic free, certificate, organic, and of course free shipping. And also what we are doing, we are using the lifestyle image. So you can see this is a lifestyle image that we are using. And this is something we are also testing. And basically this is the like ads that we can have. And now, as you can see, we can use the same ads, but what we are doing right now, we have another ad set that we name Engage 365. And basically now we are mainly trying to target already engaged people either on Facebook or engage people on the Instagram. But what we are also doing, because when you like right here and you choose some audience, as you can see, what you can also do, you can always see this create lookalike or exclude the audience. So what you can do, we have basically, now I have to include it because I have already, or we have already excluded. So we have excluded people that did already purchase, that they have been engaged the last 7 days. So this is something we are testing, that we wanna like target people that are more engaged in more days and not just very fresh. Because if the engagement is very, very fresh, they didn't manage to build the connection to us, they didn't manage to have the relationship to us. So we want to use some more deeper engagement. And also we want to exclude people that did already purchase. So this is what we do, and we target for engagement, but not the mega fresh engagement, and not for people they did already purchase. And then we have again 7 ads, as you can see, and this is the same ads. So this is also great if you create different ads inside your ad set. You can always duplicate it, and when you duplicate it, you create the complete ad set with all ads, and you can just change the targeting and test the targeting. And basically this is the same we are using, it's the same ads I was showing to you. And for this we are testing the single images. And the third I would love to show you, let's say I did duplicate this. So I click to duplicate, and now I have created ATC 30 days. So it's called add to cart. So the budget is very small, just $5, because we don't have so many actions add to cart. And basically what we are now doing is add to cart 30 days. This is what we wanna target. So you just like, this is what we wanna go for. As you can see, you can also create always lookalike audiences, but now it's add to cart 30 days. So these are people that might still remember us, might still consider the purchase. But as you can see, we exclude people who are like they did already purchase. If somebody did purchase in the last 50 days, we want to exclude him. And basically this is all we just target for add to cart action. And you can see we have again like 7 ads, and we have the ads with Sonia, and then we have the ads with Sonia again, and of course we have also the lifestyle ad and also the product image ad. And basically this is what I wanted to show you, to explain you that you can have more ads, you can have more ad sets, and you can have more campaigns, of course. And hopefully this Facebook will again stabilize for us. And you can see that hopefully now also the clicks will be more cheaper, because I have created this second, because these clicks were quite expensive, cost per link click. So hopefully this second will help us. And basically this is what I would love to do, and this is basically what is the most important for us. And here are definitely the most money where we wanna go for, and this is like the best now, like for us, hope to make some nice money. And basically, as you can see, it's really challenging. So if we go to the account overview, we still need to optimize the purchases and the costs, because the costs are still not so low as I wish. Sorry, I didn't show you, so I am still not really happy with the amount spent. That we need to decrease, and we need to increase website purchases. So hopefully we will manage. But you can see it's always very challenging to sell profitable way, and you need to put every week the best, every second, every third day, very honest effort. And then it's always good to go to the attributions, just to get some general overview and to get some performance. We have this position of 40, and you can see that the best for us is doing the paid Facebook, but also the SEO organic is helping us. Instagram paid is doing well, but also Facebook organic and Instagram is a little bit helping us. So we would definitely need to also include Google pay-per-click, Google ads, but this is perfect that we have some Google organic. And basically this is the most important I wanted to share with you. So as you can see, be aware this mega menu, that you always can easily open it this way, and you can always get this complete information about all the functions. That's quite really cool. What I would also recommend time by time to double check at least once upon months or few weeks to double check the catalog. So if everything is okay, if everything is okay with the products, so you have all the products, and also if you have this product data source is everything okay and re-upload it every day, and if these settings everything is good. So it's always good to click through and be sure that everything is going fine. And also it's good, at least once upon months to double check. The best is every week to use and double check. This is the new events manager, but the functions are the same. As you can see, it's always good to double check all the information. What is really good about this is that you can click and basically you can even export the data, manage the events, and it's always good that you get all this information, and you can create ad with this targeting or custom or lookalike audience, so or even custom conversion, but this is more for leads, so it would be a little bit confusing. It might be good if you calculate the average value of your purchase to use custom conversion, but you don't need it for e-commerce. Or you can easily create lookalike audience, as you can see, value based. So this is also, you can now do it directly from the events manager. And also this business tools menu. And so basically, thank you for watching. I'm really happy I could share this with you. And you can see it's always very, very challenging. So I wish you great success. May you reach great success. May you make a lot of money to you, to your clients. And I truly, from the deepest heart, wish you the greatest success possible.